We must, and even whoever is going to take over from His Excellency the President, must ensure that the weakest link is taken care of, which means we must ensure that, just like I came from the poorest background, and I was given scholarship by His Excellency, the real Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, to go and study medicine, and I have now come back, that process must continue to be there. If you are a middle level Kenyan who can afford a private school, instead of going to drink whiskey in the high clubs, please take your child to a private school. As we start to roll out the second phase of this program, all the children are kept at the same level. And that's why even here in Murang'a, where they are at 90%, they must complete by the 20th of this month. That is what we have been planning here. The same date has been given to Nyeri. And we are going to continue to move up, despite the fact that we are doing extremely well. Many sub-counties have completed. Almost all sub-counties in the Nyanza region have completed. All the sub-counties in the northern region have completed. A sizable number of sub-counties in eastern and many other parts of the country have completed.